Welcome back to another Grenadier video. Today's video is all about washing, and we're going to wash her and we're going to see what it looks like after it's clean. But before I start, I want to introduce myself for people who are new. I'm Dan, and I've been reviewing my Grenadier, which we use on a daily basis around farming. So we don't use it just for school and runs, etc. We use it for what it's for. Now, I'll just show you around the car quickly. So as you can see, it's a Grenadier on a 23 plate with nearly 30,000 miles. And as you can see, it's very dirty, and which is the reason for the video. But I like to review every single part of this car, from hinges to doors to paint to corrosion to off-road, towing, etc. So if you are new, please check out some of my other videos, and if you can like and subscribe, it really helps. Now, just before we get started, I wanted to just go back to the wear and the tear video. One of the people who watched put in a comment on something that I missed that has actually broken slightly, and I just want to show you. So what we'll do is I'm going to quickly jump in the car and show you it. Everyone who noticed what I broke halfway through this video, put it down in the comments, because I've got some merch coming with Grenadier stuff on and bits and pieces, and I'm going to pick someone out the comments random to send it to who picks it up. So good luck everyone, and let's go. All right, so now we're inside. I just wanted to show you something that broke, which I didn't notice, but this same thing has happened to one of our viewers, and he must have some serious eagle eyes, because he spotted this and I completely missed it. So thank you very much for the comment. Basically, we were going round, we were talking about things that were like wearing, what the steering wheel, etc. Now, on the handbrake, he noticed a piece of plastic that was broken, which is broke on his. Now, this is a very strange thing to break, and I don't know how it breaks. So if anyone else has had this problem, please put it in the comments, and also check yours, because I have no idea how this happens. So let me spin the camera around. Okay, so going down to the handbrake, you see there. Now, supposedly this, so on the handbrake, on the end, check yours, it's not underneath, but just check it. So supposedly he's got exactly the same little bit of broken plastic. I wonder what causes that. I have no idea what would cause that, and I would really love everyone to try and suss out or work out what causes that, because what a weird little thing to break. Anyway, so today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to obviously go over, set the jet wash up. So I've got a commercial setup for the tractors. So what I use is a very high-powered Honda jet wash, which runs from an IBC of water with truck film cleaner. And I'll show you the before and the after of how good, and I'll put a bit of the jet washing in there. And then we'll go and visually look around again to see if there is any other signs that we've missed, because when it was clean, we might have missed something. So thank you everyone for watching, and let's go and get jet washing. All right, so then before we start, I'm just going to do a quick show round of the exact state the car is in. So I'm just going to go little details just so we can see before and after. So it's looking very dirty, but it will be a nice transformation, and we can see the paint quality and other things at that point. So, but yeah, it just gives you an idea, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the setup of the jet wash now. So what we use here is a very powerful Honda jet wash, which I think is 6,000 PSI, I believe. So we've got the jet wash here, which then is ran by these two pipes that go into here. Sorry, it's a bit of a mess. And then we use snow foam cleaner. on the car. So what we'll do is we'll set it all up, and you can have a little watch of me jet washing, and then we'll go around and talk. But I'll just be a bit of time lapse, a bit of footage, and then we'll come back. Let's get going. Okay, just quickly, I don't know if anyone saw that midway. We did have a reflector, but it's no longer there. So, yeah, Jet's just come off, which is a bit strange. But anyway, she's getting there. We'll just keep going, then we'll have a detailed look around. But everyone, thank you for watching. Alright, so now we're at the part where we've jet washed it off. I'm going to get the snow foam on, come out of this lance, we'll cover the car and let it soak, and then we'll have a little chat. So as you can see, I've just got absolutely drenched. It just comes straight over the hose, by the way. Anyway, the brush is just broken, but this is literally as simple as we do. So this is how we do it. Film cleaner brush. It is a commercial vehicle to us. You know, I'm not going to sit here and polish it because it's covered in mud. But I just wanted to show you again that this is how we do it. And the end result, you decide. Just like that, you join me back. So after 3 years, 30,000 miles, she still comes up. Let me spin this camera around. 3 years, 30,000 miles, she still comes up like this, looking, in my opinion, like a really nice vehicle. While I was cleaning it, a few things happened. So number one, the reflector blew off there. Now, to be fair, that jet wash is very powerful, so it's not really, it's more for diggers and machinery. So that's the other. But first, the rust. So if we go back, you can see now, after cleaning it, that there is the rust on this side step. Quite bad there in the middle. And the actual steel wheels themselves aren't too bad. I'm not scrubbing the tyres because it'll get dirty. They're not too bad. Let's go around the other side. There's nothing on the ladder. I guess that's Ali's, but... So, yeah, you can see again. But I'm afraid it's the side steps that take the brunt. And the other thing you will notice with Grenadier is where the windscreen's flat, I have had a few stone chips damage it. But let's just summarise. Okay, if you're still watching now, thank you very much. I think I'm very proud of how it looks. I like this car. And when it looks clean, it looks as good as dirty. Thank you all for watching. Everyone who's been commenting, it really does mean a lot. And I just want to say that every comment, I try my best to respond to, good or bad. Some people's are amazing, and we'll keep on doing videos until you tell me you don't want them. Everyone, have a wonderful weekend.